This is how you clean a pig. First, you cut the butt. The puwet. You make a circle like so, and you will do like that. By the way, our technician for today is Mr. Rujin Tams Tamayo. Okay, say hi.
Hello.
Hi, hello. Hi. And since the pig is a girl, no need to cut the penis. So we will open the cavity of the pig by doing so. We'll slice it in the middle. Don't look at the camera. And after that, the intestines will show. You will do a tiny hole, and then voila. There you go. The inside cavity of the pig.
Yeah.
Slice the legs.
Slice the legs, and now the pig is open and ready for take-off. Op, Aisa. Op, oh, sige, go. Uno, dos, and two cracks, and the pig is open wide. And then you will cut the throat by doing so. You see? There's the throat. Now the pig is really dead because the throat is cut. And then you will do like that and like that, and the intestines are out.
There is so many shit.
So many shit. Fucking shit.
You grab and grab and grab again.
Did you hear the sound? Like the sound? It's yucky. There you go. Now the entire intestine of the pig is separated from the pig. Wow, look at the liver. Is that the liver? No, that's the lungs. And now we will clean the remaining blood of the pig, of the inside of the pig. Next is we will divide or cut the middle of the pig so that it will stick in the stick. So very accurate, oh? It's very the cutter is the slice man is very kurog kamot. Oh, sus. Kaigo. Next is we will do like that so that the flavor will stick to the bones. You see? You see? Wow, what a nice meat. Okay, and let's do it on the other side. Wanna marry you. That is the gusok. That will be removed from the pig so that it will not be included in the lechon. We will slice the ribs so that the spices will sink in the ribs. Bah. Then we will cut the legs so that it will divide. Para mo bilangkad ba, no? Para unsa man siya ba? Hinso in English na nangyama. Oh, so that the timpla will go there. The spices will go there.
Okay.